Okay guys, welcome to another tutorial on the canvas, and in this we're going to look at, well, it's just refreshing the page. It looks like an object is moving. I'm going to give it opacity too, so it looks like it's like a comet. But the way I'm doing is I'm trying to copy the movie V as a sign. If anybody can remember the science fiction series years ago called V in the 80s, well, you might probably recognize some of the things that kind of look like this. Anyway, let's make messy. Here we go. I have written our load function. We have our canvas. We have to get our draw. A fill style of white. I got a fill rect. Blah blah blah. Okay. Now, as we look down here, I have a script. Now I have directions done to bar direction A, start at 70, and then when it hits the B, I want it to start at 300. So I'm going to go 70, hit 300, right? Now because I'm giving this here a minus direction, it will go up the pages. So I should go here and up here like this, okay? Now that's all based on this if code here, which is simple enough, okay? So this is my color, and there's my opacity that will give me a little trail of what, like it's fade and a comet, see? Like a trail of a comet, right? I have my fill rect, I give my path, I have my fill side of red, and I have my circle here, drawn out here. I have my diameter, I'm going for the full circle, so there's your radians here. If I was to change that to 2 or 1 or 0.5, I'd be chopping pieces off, okay? I want the frames to repeat 50 times per second, and here's my frames, and here's my code, okay? So if we go in here, I think I've already ran this one, but we might just, if we can get this to work, run this for you now, and here we go. See the trail? Now, look at it. It would hit the 300, and because I'm going negative, it should go up. Now I can change that trail, okay? I can make this say 0.1, and we'll just see how we get on here. Okay, now I go for 0.1. Let's see what kind of a trail we're going to get. There she goes, a bit slow, but here it goes. You'll see it is a bit different. See that? It's lasting longer and it's a bit thicker, right? So let's go back in here and we change this to 0.4. Okay, so save this. Oh my god, don't tell me she wants to freeze on me now. Save this. We'll go back in here and refresh this page. If it wants to refresh, that computer save.